Chapter 1 Predictors of Infidelity. Can the way we perceive attractiveness predict infidelity in a relationship? A recent study by researchers from Florida State University in the U.S. seems to suggest so. It brings to light some intriguing predictors of infidelity, such as age, marital satisfaction, sexual satisfaction, attractiveness, and history of short-term relationships. The study found a curious correlation between age and infidelity. Younger individuals and those who were less satisfied with their relationships were more likely to stray. This may suggest that maturity and satisfaction in a relationship serve as deterrents against infidelity. Interestingly, the study reveals that satisfaction with sex in a relationship does not necessarily guard against infidelity. People who were content with their sex life were more likely to cheat. This could mean that these individuals have a more positive outlook towards sex in general and might seek it out even if they are content in their primary relationship. Chapter 2 Gender Differences in Attractiveness and Infidelity. Now, here's where it gets even more intriguing. A person's own attractiveness was negatively associated with infidelity among women but not men. In other words, women who were perceived as less attractive were more likely to cheat. Conversely, men were more likely to be unfaithful if their partners were seen as less attractive. It appears that perceptions of attractiveness play a significant role in predicting infidelity, but in very different ways for men and women. The study also found that a person's sexual history could predict their propensity for infidelity. Men who reported having more short-term sexual partners before marriage were more likely to cheat, while for women, the reverse was true. Chapter 3 Psychological Processes and Infidelity. This groundbreaking research, published in the Journal of Personality and Social Psychology, also explored two psychological processes that we all possess in varying degrees: attentional disengagement and evaluative devaluation of potential romantic partners. Participants who quickly disengaged their attention from an attractive person were less likely to cheat. In fact, those who looked away in as little as a few hundred milliseconds faster than average were nearly 50% less likely to have sex outside their marriage. On the other hand, partners who lingered longer on attractive alternatives were more prone to infidelity, and their marriages had a higher likelihood of failure. The tendency to devalue or downgrade the attractiveness of potential romantic partners also seemed to lower the risk of infidelity and increase the chances of maintaining the relationship. Chapter 4 Conclusion. This study gives us a fascinating glimpse into the complex and nuanced factors that can predict infidelity. It underscores the role of age, satisfaction, attractiveness, and psychological processes in shaping our romantic behaviors and the decisions we make within our relationships. As we continue to delve into the intricacies of human behavior and relationships, one thing remains clear: the human heart and mind are a labyrinth, full of surprising twists and turns.